Today's verb is bëj, as we continue our series of verbs in the simple past, imperfect tense, and the present perfect. And bëj is one of the most frequently used verbs in Albanian. Depending on the context, bëj can mean to do or to make. We'll learn its forms, as I said, in the simple past, the imperfect, and the present perfect tense. Let's start, as always, with the simple past, koha e kryer e thjesht. The simple past presents, we've said, an action as completed in the past. It is especially useful when talking about something that happened at a specific time or as a one-time event that happened in the past. It was completed. So the forms of bëj are unë bëra, I did, ti bëre, you did, ai or ajo bëri, he or she did. Ne bëm, we did, ju bët, you did, ata or ato bën, they did. For example, I bëra detyrat, I did my homework. I bëra detyrat. Çfarë bëre mbrëm? What did you do last night? Çfarë bëre mbrëm? Ajo bëri një tortë për ditëlindjen. She made a cake for the birthday. Ajo bëri një tortë për ditëlindjen. Ne bëm një gabim. We made a mistake. Ne bëm një gabim. Ata bën shumë punë dje. They did a lot of work yesterday. Ata bën shumë punë dje. Now we move on to the imperfect tense, koha e pakryer. The imperfect tense, we've said, describes an action that was ongoing, repeated, or habitual in the past. It is often translated into English as was doing or used to do, or simply the past tense depending on the context. Here are the forms in Albanian. Unë bëja, I used to do. Ti bëje, you used to do. Ai or ajo bënte, he or she used to do. Ne bënim, we used to do. Ju bënit, you used to do. Ata or ato bënin, they used to do. Some examples. Kur isha fëmijë, bëja shumë pyetje. When I was a child, I used to make a lot of questions. Kur isha fëmijë, bëja shumë pyetje. Çdo mëngjes bëja kafe për familjen. Every morning I would make coffee for the family. Çdo mëngjes bëja kafe për familjen. Ajo bënte gjithmonë shaka. She was always making jokes, or literally she would always make jokes. Ajo bënte gjithmonë shaka. Ne bënim shumë ushtrime në klas. We used to do a lot of exercises in class. Ne bënim shumë ushtrime në klas. And ata bënin shumë sport kur ishin të rinj. They used to do a lot of sport when they were young. Ata bënin shumë sport kur ishin të rinj. And lastly, the present perfect tense, koha e kryer. It is formed with the verb kam plus the past participle of the verb bëj, which is bër. Okay, so the forms are unë kam bër, I have done. Ti ke bër, you have done. Ai or ajo ka bër, he or she has done. Ne kemi bër, we have done. Ju keni bër, you have done. Ata or ato kan bër, they have done. As we've said before, this tense is commonly used for completed actions that are relevant to the present, as well as for experiences. Some examples. I kam bër detyrat. I have done my homework. I kam bërë detyrat. A ke bërë ndonjëherë tort? Have you ever made a cake? A ke bërë ndonjëherë tort? Ajo ka bërë shumë për familjen e saj. She has done a lot for her family. Ajo ka bërë shumë për familjen e saj. Kemi bërë shumë përparim. We have made a lot of progress. Kemi bërë shumë përparim. Ata kanë bërë një gabim. They have made a mistake. Ata kanë bërë një gabim. As always, the verb in all three tenses in one paragraph at the same time. Dje bëra një tort për ditëlindjen e motrës. Yesterday I made a cake for my sister's birthday. Kur isha fëmijë, bëja shpesh ëmbëlsira me nënën time dhe më pëlqente shumë të ndihmoja në kuzhinë. When I was a child, I often would make desserts with my mother and I really enjoyed helping in the kitchen. Gjatë viteve, kam bërë shumë lloje ëmbëlsirash dhe kam mësuar shumë receta të reja. Over the years, I have made many different kinds of desserts and have learned many new recipes. Torta që bëra dje doli shumë mirë dhe të gjithëve u pëlqeu. The cake I made yesterday turned out really well and everyone liked it. One more time, listen only in Albanian. Dje bëra një tort për ditëlindjen e motrës. Kur isha fëmijë, bëja shpesh ëmbëlsira me nënën time dhe më pëlqente shumë të ndihmoja në kuzhinë. Gjatë viteve, kam bërë shumë lloje ëmbëlsirash dhe kam mësuar shumë receta të reja. Torta që bëra dje doli shumë mirë dhe të gjithëve u pëlqeu. And that's it for the verb bëj in the simple past, imperfect, and present perfect tenses. If you like this video, as always, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you still haven't. Send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com if you have any questions or are interested in one-on-one lessons. Don't forget to practice your Albanian with our free flashcard decks. The link is in the description below as well as in the pinned comment, and I will see you in our next video. Stay tuned!